Hey guys, Coach 𝐼𝐧𝐼𝐿 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to go over 5 simple steps to $300 a day commissions, and I'm really going to talk about a passive income blueprint. And what really made me think about this is I know that a lot of people want to make money online and they want to learn how to create passive income, meaning that when they're going about their life, their sleep, they're working, they have a system that can bring them in commissions. And they want to learn how to do that. And I'm going to talk all about that in today's training. Now, today is July 11th, 2021. And yesterday morning, I got a $300 commission that came in at 7:13 a.m. I hadn't even woken up and brushed my teeth and washed my butt, and a commission came in. And this is what people can learn how to do in the internet space, create passive income for themselves. Now I want to talk about what are the steps that you can do to do that. That's what today is going to be all about. But before I jump into that, I want to show you proof that other people are using these same exact methods. The method that I'm talking about, you can learn more about this beneath this video. It's called Infinity Processing System. And it's the system that not only allows me to earn commissions, but teaches me how to do it. Okay. So, you know, I had a $300 day yesterday, and we have lots of other people. They're able to benefit from the same exact system. And more so than an income opportunity, it teaches you the skill sets that you need to learn in order to have success in your online business. It teaches you the skill set. So if you're a person and you're like, I don't just want to make money online, I want to learn these skill sets so that for a lifetime I can do this over and over and over again, then this is definitely a system that you want to take part in. So the people who are getting results with this system are literally applying the skills. So the product with Infinity Processing System is digital marketing training. It's going to teach you how to be a better digital marketer. It's going to show you how to get set up. It's going to show you how to create an automated sales funnel. It's going to teach you you know, what you should be doing on a daily basis, your income producing activities. It's going to teach you how to market on most of the social media platforms, and you don't have to be on all those social media platforms. You need to pick one or two. I always recommend YouTube and Facebook for beginners, or YouTube and TikTok. And then it also teaches you email marketing. So what I'm going to share with you is how I myself, the process that I myself have done to not only use this system to create $300 commissions for myself, but to have them coming in without me having to always be present in my business. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. Now, if you're ready to join Infinity Processing System, again, the link is beneath this video. There's no monthly fees. Most people will, if you look at the packages, most people will start at Pro or Elite, because that's where you're going to get really the information that you need and the training and support that you need to learn how to be a serious internet marketer. Now, let's talk about these 5 simple steps to $300 days. Okay, so the first thing is, if you say to yourself, I would want to create an online business, you must have a commissionable product. That means a product that you can earn commissions from. With Infinity Processing System, every time someone buys that product, that digital product, meaning you have it online, you don't have to have a closet full of stuff, you are in position, if you're at the pro level, to earn $300 commissions. It's what you call mid-ticket product. Okay, so the first thing is, you have, in order to be a business, you have to have an actual product. The product is the digital marketing training platform. Okay, so you can make $300 every time somebody decides that as a result of your efforts they're going to get that, and you can make $300. So the first thing is to put yourself in position to have a product to be able to offer to people so that you can make commissions from. So that's the first thing. So for me, it's Infinity Processing System. I'm a pro level member. I'm able to make those $300 commissions. The second thing is, you must have, in order to make $300 days, you must have a great product. For me, I know that one of the top problems with making money online is people don't know how to promote, market, and have a daily routine. Discipline is another part, but that's something within self. A lot of people don't have discipline to follow through with what they say they're going to do. But I can't help people with that. But Infinity Processing System teaches you the skill sets that you need to be able to market consistently and to know exactly what to do in the online space, because it's not hard work. It's just consistent work, right? if you can dedicate about an hour a day to yourself, to growing your online business, using these strategies, then you can build momentum over time and consistent income. Okay, so the next thing is, in order to produce $300 days, is you must learn from your product. Okay, so what you want to do with the Infinity Processing System is you want to follow the steps to get set up. You want to create your automated sales funnel, and then what you want to do is you want to print out the 7-day action plan for success. Go ahead and print that out. Put it somewhere near your computer, your planner. Hopefully you have a planner if you're a business owner. And then you want to pick 1 or 2 marketing strategies that you're going to include in your income producing activity. So maybe it's YouTube. Like I said, I always recommend YouTube and Facebook together. And you're going to make sure you set up your automated, your automated 6-figure system, which basically it teaches you how to set up an autoresponder. And at the pro level, you're going to get the follow-up messages that go in your autoresponder, so you can have a system that's consistently giving people information. And that's exactly how I made that sale at 7:13 a.m. He was able to go watch my video. My video directed him to my funnel, and he was able to get in my funnel, buy, and to learn more information and make a decision for himself. And that's really what it's about. So you're going to be able to do that with Infinity Processing System. But what you want to do is you don't want to get stuck in learning paralysis. A lot of people, they feel like, oh my God, I got to spend all the time going through all of these trainings before I take action. No, you go through steps 1 and 2 and get set up. And then once you're done with steps 1 and 2, you're going to print the 7-day action plan. You're going to go ahead and you're going to pick 1 or 2 of these strategies that you're going to start learning. Like I would say, set aside 15 to 20 minutes every day. And if you pick Facebook marketing and you pick YouTube, you're going to set aside 15 minutes every day to learn either YouTube or Facebook marketing. Whatever they tell you to do that day, you're going to do it. They say go set up your YouTube channel, you go do that. They say make a YouTube video, you're going to do that. And the thing about YouTube marketing, when we talk about passive income, my marketing is extremely passive. I make YouTube videos, I put them up on YouTube. People find me. That I never met these people who purchased from me. Okay? I never met them. They find me through my keywords and through my titles, and she teaches you how to do that in the YouTube automation. They're able to go into my funnel, they're able to watch a presentation, and they're able to make a decision if they want it or they don't. And when they do decide that they want it, they're able to buy from me, and I'm able to make $300 commissions. And that's what a passive business will allow you to do. Literally, I will sleep and commission is coming in. That's passive income. Okay? So you want to have a system that allows you to do that. Infinity Processing System can be the system that not only helps you learn the skill set, but allows you to be in position to make $300 commissions and teaches you the passive skill set, which is YouTube automation and email marketing, so that you can have a system in place that when you are asleep, when you are at work, people can watch your presentation, they can make a decision if they want to buy, and when they do buy, you're in position to make those commissions. That's passive income. It means when you're out living your life, you live in your life, you have systems in place to bring you income in. Okay, so that you're not always have to be on your feet all the time trying to earn income. You have systems in place to help you earn income even when you're not on your feet. Okay, so the next thing is you want to have 1 or 2 solid ways of sharing the value of your products. So I don't care if you had, a drop shipping business, a physical business. For us, Infinity Processing System is a digital business, meaning anywhere you have your internet or phone, computer, you can earn with the system. But you must have any business. I don't care if you are a brick and mortar business. You must have a daily way of advertising. McDonald's, every time you turn on your TV, you're seeing McDonald's commercials. Bath and Body Works is constantly sending you emails. Just because you're online doesn't mean you don't need to have a daily marketing and advertising routine. The good thing is with the Infinity Processing System is she takes out the guesswork of what you need, what the formula is of what you need to do on a daily basis to have visibility and success on these platforms. So she teaches you what to do on YouTube. She teaches you what to do on Facebook, and there's other platforms if you wanted to whatever. But I would recommend you pick 1 or 2. For me, I stick to YouTube and email marketing because it's really passive for me. My best recommendation is if you wanted to add Facebook to that, that's the trifecta: YouTube, email marketing, and Facebook. The trifecta, where you're just it's gonna converge your leads together so that you can get faster results if you're a beginner. Okay. And the last step to $300 days is to commit to the process and not the outcomes. What do I mean by that? I see a lot of people when they want to make money online, they are so anxious to make money. Like, how fast can I make money? And it's like this nervous energy that robs you of the ability to make money online. So a process for me would be to upload a video, to email my list, right? Those are two simple things that I can do that take me less than 20 or 30 minutes a day. But by doing that, I have a process and a system that can bring me leads, visibility, leads, and sales. That's the process. I don't worry about if somebody's going to buy, how fast they're going to buy, or anything like that. I know that I have a system in place. Okay? That's the process. And with the process, you do have to do it whether you feel like it or not, or whatever. That's the process. Okay? So you're not wedded to the outcome. You're wedded to the process. Okay? And if you haven't seen my video on how, like, a simple marketing plan, go ahead and check that out, because that talks a little bit about the process for internet marketing. But it really is simple stuff. But if you have an hour a day, you can do these processes and know that you have a system that's bringing you visibility, leads, and sales. Okay? And that's it, really. If you would like to join Finnick Processing System, I give my bonuses, which help shorten your your road, in the internet space. I give you all my secrets. Okay, so that's it. Smash the subscribe button if you're ready to get started. The link is beneath this video. Position yourself accordingly. Most people, again, start at pro or elite. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.